Welcome to the Divorcierge Divorce Tip of the Week. This week I'm going to talk to you about document collection for your divorce. That's one of the biggest kind of pains that are related to getting through the actual physical process of divorce, is finding all the information that you need for your attorney. And the more information you have collected in advance, the more you can offer in a clean and concise format and presentation to your attorney, the better your meeting will be with him, the more efficient, and the less you'll spend. So some of the documents that you will have to present: your tax returns, W-2s, any bank account statements, any investment account statements, any trust account statements, if there are retirement accounts, if there are pension plans, if there are insurance policies. Perhaps there are trust agreements that you have that you may or may not be a beneficiary of, but they have value. Life insurance policies, anything that has a value that can be negotiated. If there are real estate assets, if there's a home you live in, a vacation home perhaps, a home, another apartment that you rent out and there's rental income from. If you or your spouse have a business and there's value in that business, now that may have to be evaluated by a specialist, but at least you can list what those assets are that might need to be valued later on. Again, more is better, right? So the more information you have, the better it is. And I also suggest that you try to organize that information in a neat kind of format if you can. And if you can't, that's something that I can help you with, because the more information you can present clearly, the less time your attorney is going to need to try to decipher it all. So again, all the statements, even your bills, your credit card bills, any debt that you have, any loans, mortgages, home equity loans, any of that information is really, really important to figure out what the assets are, what the income is, what the expenses are, the loans, so that you can negotiate a true and fair settlement with your spouse. If you'd like a little more information or a little more help getting you organized, please send me an email, Karen@thedivorcierge.com, or schedule a free consultation at my website, thedivorcierge.com. See you next week.